Okay, so question 10 now. This question says the frequency polygon shows information about the times taken by 49 athletes to run 400 meters at the 2017 World Championships. Okay, so we've got the frequency here, and we've got the time here, and the frequency polygon like that. Now remember, the frequency polygon, what it does is it looks at continuous data in this way. All right, so this is time, and what it does is it takes categories, okay, and then it plots in the middle of that, okay? So between 50 and 51 seconds, there were this number of people. You just read the frequency there, okay? Between 51 and 52, there were this number of people. Again, you read the frequency on that side, okay? So that's how a frequency polygon works. So it says use the information in the frequency polygon to complete the table by writing in the missing times, okay? So we've got 6 here, so we need to find where the 6 is. So it looks like it might be one of these 3, okay? And whichever one it is, so for example, if it's this one, you're going to say 50 to 51, okay? 50 is less than the time, which is less than or equal to 51, okay? That's if it's this one, okay? But if 6 is actually one of these ones, okay, you have to say it for one of these, okay? So it's 53 to 54 for this one, 54 to 55 for this one. So you have to choose which of those would go there. Next bit of information, it tells us none of the athletes ran 400 meters in exactly 53 seconds. Okay, so no one was here. Find the number of athletes who ran 400 meters in less than 53 seconds. So the reason why they said that is because our inequalities are written like this, less than or equal to the second number. So here we would have had 52 is less than time, less than or equal to 53. And they just told us that 53, we don't need to worry about 53. We can just take that frequency and say it's all less than 53, okay? So find the number of athletes who ran 400 meters in less than 53 seconds. So it will be all of these people, so whatever the frequency there, all of these people and all of these people. So you're going to have to add up the frequencies of those. And the last one, it says calculate an estimate for the mean time of the 49 athletes. Okay, so if we're going to estimate the mean, we need to go to the midpoint of our intervals. Okay, so our intervals go like this, 50 to 51, 51 to 52. So our midpoint for 50 to 51 would be 50.5. You know, our midpoint here would be 51.5. Our midpoint here would be 52.5, and so on. These midpoints will be multiplied by the frequency. So we're estimating the midpoint for each person within that category. So we multiply the midpoint by each of these frequencies. We're going to add it all up and divide it by how many athletes we have, which is 49. And you would find that that is also the total frequency.